Hello, and thank you for watching this video on how to create your own collateral to encourage tipping at your business. So first you would navigate to your dashboard at mydashboard.toptipper.co. You'd go to QR codes and links. You'd select which QR code you want to use. Depending on how you've configured your tipping, you just have one for your whole organization? Do you have multiple properties, services? You select. So let's just say we want to do one for the entire organization. So we would click on here. We would then download the QR code, save that, and then using a graphic design program like Canva or something like that, you could go in and create your own sign. This is one that we've done for car washes. This is just a QR code for a particular car wash. You can use any type of graphic design program. You could even use Microsoft Word or Google Doc or something simple and just paste that QR code into the document and be able to create your own collateral that you can put in different locations in your business. Use your creativity, have fun with it, and thank you for watching. And remember, we're always here to support you at support@toptipper.co or hello@toptipper.co. And feel free to share with us any of your best designs. We'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you.